of our monthly Root and Branch Association Lost Tribes Fellowship seminars. The chairman of the fellowship and the monthly seminars is Mr. Yair Davidiy, one of the world's leading, in my opinion, Lost Tribes researchers, devoted his whole life to it, the founder of Brit-Am Hebrew Awareness. He will give the first lecture, as he always does and always will, in our monthly seminar. And the second lecture will be given by Yair's friend and colleague, Mr. Steve Matha of Ivor, South Carolina. And that will be our format for coming months. And then we'll be bringing on other friends and colleagues of Yair and Steve as the months go by. Now, Yair asked me, I lost my connection before I'm re-recording, if I would add in the recorded section something I said privately before we started recording, which is that I learned from Yair and our mutual friend and colleague who went home to God 10 years ago in September, Mr. John Charles Lincoln Hulley, that the three of the 12 tribes of Israel, in the land of Israel, we have Judah and other elements of other tribes, the Jews, and yes, along the way, all sorts of other people joined us, that's true, and Ephraim and England and Manasseh and what is known as the United States. Now, all three tribal homelands are under assault from people who don't share our biblical Israelite values and our faith in the eternal creator God of Israel. And we have to reestablish in England, America, and Israel, faith-based government with wise, righteous leaders who, was the Torah says Moses should appoint 70 elders who hate gain and their eyes can't be blinded by bribes, and of a strong faith. And Yair specifically wanted me to mention what I said before, that a week from tomorrow is the election, and God of Israel bless America. And we hope President Trump, is he aware of this? Good question. His mother, Mrs. Marianne McLeod, I like saying McLeod better than McLeod, is from the village of Tong, island of Lewis and Harris, Outer Hebrides, Scotland. That is one of the main areas of Israelite settlement worldwide among the English-speaking peoples. She, in her case, she grew up speaking Gaelic. And his father is a very Jew-loving German. The Lost Tribes also, I learned from Yair, I think, that the ones that escaping religious persecution coming to America in the 17 and 8 Mennonites and the Pennsylvania Dutch, which means Deutsch, many of them have Lost Tribes ancestry. They all ended up here. So President Trump is leading, is he aware of it? Three amazing processes are underway as America comes back to life. A second Torah-based Reformation, a second Torah-based Great Awakening, and a second Torah-based American Revolution. And when God should send his spirit before President Trump to complete victory with all the forces arrayed against him and not permit them to defeat him, so he'll win. Even if the vote is cooked, they'll have such a landslide the other side can't cheat. And in the 2 dangerous months until January, when he is inaugurated, that they won't pull anything, they will try. And he'll get back in the driver's seat of Air Force One and lead as the leading Lost Tribes nation. Manasseh will help the restoration of Bible-based government in all the other Israelite tribal homelands, in the English-speaking world, New Zealand, Australia, and what's left of South Africa. For the Afrikaners, there are brothers and sisters, and the English-speaking there as well.